Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video I will show you how I installed a handlebar raiser on my bike. So that is my bike. It's a 2017 version of a Duke 200. So I have installed the handlebar raisers to make the riding position much more upright, so it will help me on my long ride. So I have already installed the handlebar raiser and also I have used it for some while. Some of you will ask, is there any handling difficulties you are facing, like in corners and all? No, I am not facing any problems. Yes. So this is the handlebar raiser. This is extra part over here. So almost 1 inches I have increased the height of the handlebar. So as compared to previous stock handlebar, now the position is quite upright. So have a look. I have purchased this from nearest shop known as 7 Aftermarket. As you can see, there is a branding on that product, this 7 Aftermarket. So yeah, that was the small video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do like the video, share the video and comment down below if you have any questions regarding the video. And if you want to know about this riser, then just comment down below. And if you are from Goa and if you want to purchase that, then just message me on Instagram. I will provide the location if you are from Goa. So after installing this product, I haven't faced any issues like cornering problem, because when you install this product for a while you will face some problem due to sudden change in the ergonomics of the bike, but after some time you will get used to it. Then there will be no problem, because I'm quite comfortable with this riding position as compared to stock. So now it's giving me upright position, so it helps me while I'm doing the off-roading and also while touring. It gives my body a straight position, and also I'm feeling that I'm able to handle bike quite well as compared to the stock height of the handlebar. I hope you liked that video, and if you did, then do like the video, share the video and comment down below if you have any questions regarding the video. And also if you want, then you can connect me on Instagram so I can share you the location of that shop. So yeah, that's it. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Ride hard, ride safe and always wear your helmet. Bye bye.